Let me bring in my colleague Ashutosh Mishra for more on this. Ashutosh, how exactly is it that you look at Arvind Kejriwal's response? Now, he wasn't really scathing, but he focused more on the development work that was done by his party.
So actually one thing, the campaign that I have noticed as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, 2015, 2020 and now 2025. So when you see the governance model of Arvind Kejriwal, you see a style of confrontation. That's very much visible. But when you see the campaigning of Arvind Kejriwal, more he focus on the issue of the governance. He'll always talk about what he has delivered. And of course, even today while saying, that was a different way of countering that, look, all the inauguration that Prime Minister did, it was actually a joint inauguration with the Chief Minister Ratishi and the Delhi government also being equal partner in the Delhi Metro project, also a significant stakeholder in the RTBS as far as Delhi stretch of rapid train is concerned. So clearly on that, subsequently targeting that, look how the Prime Minister is actually targeting individual using offensive words, whereas there are certain issues that BJP and the centre need to focus. So that's the style of Arvind Kejriwal in campaigning. But subsequently, if you see the BJP, they've got a line, a punchline always helps in us building up narrative that Apada, the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar, the Prime Minister calling it Apada, and that gives a BJP a firepower to take on Arvind Kejriwal. Joining me here, Priyanka Kakkad, Chief Spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Priyanka, what we see Arvind Kejriwal, despite mentioning about the governance, the Prime Minister highlighting misgovernance, failure, and subsequently this Apada Sarkar, looks like BJP setting up a tempo against Aam Aadmi Party very aggressively.
See, they have always set up a tempo of hatred, of negativity, of name calling. Whereas Arvind Kejriwal ji wants to work in a positive direction. He highlighted how the two projects inaugurated today by the Prime Minister were actually joint ventures between the state government and the central government. We just had a press conference and he mentioned that he has no ego, no qualms in झुकने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उनको दिल्ली वालों के काम के लिए. हम कैसे भी करके दिल्ली वालों के काम करवाएंगे.
But when you see going in all these rallies, when the model code of conduct, BJP door to door will go, so this is really an Apada ki Sarkar, a disaster government, and they'll target on a CM's luxurious bungalow. How do you going to respond to the people? Well, these issues, the BJP will be taking up to the people, also on the local governance issue, the crisis issues.
See, we will not respond. The people will respond. They will ask the BJP कि तुम्हारे पास 20 राज्य हैं, तुमने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के जैसे कैसे अपने किसी भी राज्य में फ्री बिजली दी? कहाँ तुमने फ्री महिलाओं को बस यात्रा दी? कहाँ तुमने बुजुर्गों को तीर्थ यात्रा दी? कहाँ तुमने ऐसी उच्च स्तर की शिक्षा और हेल्थ व्यवस्था दी? People are going to respond.
Are you on a front?
Thank you so much, Ashutosh, for bringing us all those details.